Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with eToro. Review my usage experience. eToro is a social trading and multi-asset investment platform that allows users to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, commodities, and more. It's primarily targeted at individuals interested in online trading and investing, from beginners to more experienced traders. Key features include copy trading, which allows you to mirror the trades of popular investors, and a demo account for practice trading. Their website provides detailed information on the various asset classes available, the fees involved, and the educational resources they offer. eToro emphasizes its user-friendly platform, aiming to make investing accessible to everyone. They highlight the social aspect of their platform, allowing users to connect with other traders and learn from their strategies. While they don't advertise no hidden fees explicitly, they do provide a transparent fee schedule on their website. Availability depends on your region, and you can check eligibility on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using eToro. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The sign-up process was simple, requiring the usual information, and verifying my identity was quick. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is well organized, making it easy to find the information I needed, like my portfolio performance and market news. I experimented with the copy trading feature, which was surprisingly simple to set up. I chose a popular investor based on their risk profile and past performance, and within a few clicks, I was mirroring their trades. In terms of performance, the platform was generally reliable. I didn't experience any significant downtime or technical issues during my usage. The execution of trades was smooth and quick. I did have a quick question about deposit methods, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track my investments and manage my portfolio. The standout feature for me was definitely the copy trading, which allowed me to diversify my investments and learn from experienced traders. One minor drawback was the sheer number of options available, which can feel a little overwhelming for beginners. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced charting tools. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with eToro. While it has a slight learning curve, it offers a powerful and accessible platform for both beginner and experienced investors. That's my overview of eToro. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.